we get the sources of water. We learn. Today's chapter is water. Okay, we'll start with that. We'll revise it and we'll continue with that chapter. Before we start the chapter, we'll say the prayer, children. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. Okay, now in the previous class what I told children, for what we use the water. We use the water for drinking. Yes, to drink we use. Yes, to wash we use clothes. Yes, and to what? To bath we use. Yes, and next for what, children? For cooking we use cook. Next for what we use? For plants, the plantation. For the plants we use water. These all are the uses of water, where we use the water. And the next one is source of water. Sources of water, from where we get the main source of water is what, children? I told you the main source is rain. Without rain we not get water only. Without rain we not get water. This is the main source of water. Yes, after this we get this rain water is collected in the form of lake, in the river, in the form of river. Yes, in the form of sea, in the form of pond, in the form of well, in the form of bow wells. Yes, these all are the forms of the sources of water. We studied yesterday these all things. Now we'll move on to the water is precious. Why it is precious? We'll learn it today. Water is precious. Why it is precious? Why we have to store it properly? Why we have to maintain the proper cleanliness in the water? Yes, why we have to maintain that? Okay, the water is precious. The word precious. The first one, we should not waste water because the water is precious. Sometimes we not, in the summer season we not get water only. We have to go to other village or we have to go to other place to get the water. So what we have to do? We not have to waste water. Not waste water. Next one. We should close the tap while brushing our teeth. When we are brushing, okay, we are brushing like this. Why the tap is on? Simply the waste of water. Now, when we are brushing, please off the tap. After finishing your brushing, for cleaning the brush, on the tap. So what we have to do? We don't have to close the tap while brushing our teeth. Next one, we should have a short showers. Many showers on money. We don't have to do that because too much of water falls inside. Wastage of water. So we have to short. Next one, we should not use hose pipe for washing vehicles. Hose pipe ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ pipes ಅನ್ನು use ಮಾಡಬಾರದು because in that too much force water will come and it will be waste only. Simply the waste of water it is. So we don't have to Next one, we should reuse water that we have used for washing fruits and vegetables to water. Now wash ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ vegetables ಮತ್ತು fruits ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದ ನೀರನ್ನ ಒಗಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. then it will be reuse water, not dirt water. I am telling this type of waters can be reused. We should not throw waste into water bodies such as the lakes and rivers. We don't have to throw. Some people what they do, they will go and do all the things like washing clothes and throwing the wastes in the water. That we have to don't do. If we do like that, all the chemical contents which contains in the plastic, that all will mix up with the water. So we don't have to do that. Not throw waste into water bodies. Okay, so these are the why the water is precious, because these all are the main thing. Then only we can make our water precious, because the water makes us healthy, make us to be healthy, and it makes us to be strong. So the water is the main source for all the things, for all the purpose we want water. For the at least for 1 glass of water is too much important. So we have to maintain water cleanliness. Okay, you will also do that, children. Don't waste water, store it properly, okay, and use it properly. Okay, we'll move on to the exercise today, children. Exercise, in your textbook they given an exercise. Now in this, yesterday I given you some of the hard words as a homework, so please complete that homework. And today we'll move on to the exercise. This exercise we'll do it, okay, we'll do it in the class, and the question and answers I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Exercise. Okay, A part. Write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. What they given? T for the true statement, F for the false statement. We have to just write T and F. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. Yes or no? True or false? Yes, true. We cannot live without water. The water is too much precious. So first answer is what? T. Second one. We do not need water to grow plants. No, false. We want water to grow plants. We want water to grow plants. Next one. Wells are source of water. Wells are source of water. Yes, the wells are the source of water. Okay? Wells are source of. Fourth one. Seawater is good for drinking. No, because seawater is salty in taste. So we can't drink that type of waters. Okay? So false. Fifth one. Water from springs and deep wells is not safe for drinking. Water from the deep wells. No, it is too good because it came from the earth. Say they are purified enough. Okay? True. Next. B part, children. Pick the correct answers. Okay? An important source of water, rain or tap water. Which is the important source of water? Rain. Second one. Seawater contains sugar or salt? Salt. What it contains, children? I told you that time only. Salt. Next one. In places where there are no lakes or rivers, people dig wells or do not drink water. They do not drink water. No, they drink water, but they dig the wells. Dig. Okay, these are the two means. Now we'll move on to the answer the correct answers. Okay, answer the following questions. First one. Just will revise it. Okay. List drinking. That is the uses of water. Do animals and plants need water? Yes. The animals and plants need water to live. They have to lead their life now. So they want water. Why is water from river and lakes not safe for drinking? Because the water from the river and the lakes may have a germs. They have too much of germs and bacteria. That all things will be there in that type of water. So what we have to do, we don't have to drink that type of water, because some people are there who throw dust in that, who throw waste papers, waste things in that. So it is too much of dirt inside that water. So we don't have to use that type of water. How is water purified in your house? How you will purify in your home? Water filter will you use, or you put a coil in that? How you do? Ask your mother and write that answer. List 2 ways of saving water. How you will save water? I will turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. Okay? And the next one, we should not throw waste into the water bodies such as the lakes and rivers. We don't have to waste water. That way we can save our water to become dirt. Okay? Next one, life skill. Next one, life skill. Have you copied these all things, children? Copy it from the text board. Next one, life skill. Rainwater can also be used for washing and cleaning. Find out how you can collect rainwater and these 2 ways of using it. Rainwater can be collected in the vessel, kept in the garden or on the roof side. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು? Rainfall ಆಗೋದು ನೀರನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಂತೂ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಇರತ್ತವ. ಡ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಯಾಗ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ rainfall ಆಗಿದ್ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಕ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Understood now? Next one, value for life. In April 2016, when a daughter in Maharashtra faced a severe water shortage, Sheikh Abdul Mateen, a teacher, distributed hundreds of liters of free water every day from his borewell to many families. What do you think of his action? Yes, he did correct answer. He did correct, because in the Maharashtra 2016 they don't have little bit of water also. That time they suffer too much. They don't have one drop of water also. That time the teacher did that good job. He distributed 1 liter of water to everyone. How many liters he distributed? Hundreds of liters. Okay, hundreds of liters of water he distributed to everyone to make them feel good. Okay. Next one, thoughts they given. Kamal puts a fresh water, raw eggs into a glass of water, tap water. In a sack to the bottom, he added 3 spoonful of a salt into the another glass of water. Stirred it well. When he puts the same egg into the salty water, it floated. Kamal then took 4 glasses containing river water, well water, sea water and tap water. In which glass it will float? The egg will float on the salty water. Eggs will float on the salty water. So what you have to do, children? Take a lake water, river water, sea water and one more is tap water and put an egg in that. See in which water the egg will float. You have to just do the experiment on that. Okay. Color the right answer in blue and do it and color it with the blue. Next one, the last one, activity they given. Complete the word puzzle from the picture clues. They given us some of the pictures there. You have to complete that with a full word. You have to complete that with a full word. First one, first picture. What is that? Lake. The first word is like this. They given L-A-K-E. Okay. I will draw it and I will do first one here. L-A-K-E. Lake. Okay. After that, W here they given well. Next one. Here what they given? In the below L, M here, E, R, T, S. Here one more we got After that, spring. Here, rain. Here, river. These are the, yeah, how many words we got here? One word, two word, three word, 4, 5, 6 words. Okay. See the picture. I did it like this. Please copy it from here. These are the puzzles. They given us some of the pictures there. We have to just write the name of that. Using the picture, we have to write name of the pictures. Okay. Understood? Complete these all things, children. And I want the complete field notes of these all things in the next class. Send me the email.